Hi, my name is Sawyer, and today you're gonna be learning how to make these two kind of paper fidget clickers. So, first, to make the easier one, I'm gonna unfold it all the way so I can restart so you can see how it works. First, fold down triangle like the basic paper airplane. Then turn the paper around. Then do the same thing on this side. Then you're gonna flip it around one last time and fold it in half like this. Then you are going to fold it in half like a paper plate. Then fold down only one side like a paper plate. Then fold the front tip up so then the line meets where this is, and then you fold it up and close the entire paper. Then unfold all this bit stuff. Then fold this down and keep wiggling the top corner of the wing here. Then you got the fidget clicker. This part just wiggles. The actual system is on this side. When you press this bit, it forces this to clap against this, creating a click noise like this. Then, now to make the second one is a little bit harder because there's one hard step in it. But you could do it. First, do the basic triangle fold again, like this. Then you fold the triangles up again. But on the same side, not like this single clicker one. This one's gonna be a quadruple clicker. Fold it in half, then flip it around. Then fold these bits in a triangle, which you might not understand, but you will if you do it. Then he folds up this, and you got the first clicker, which is this. Then, for the second clicker, you stick your fingers in here and pull it apart. Then, you got this clicker. Then for the last clickers, they're already here, where you press down here. It might get stuck under this, but that's okay. And then the last step is fold up here for the stand. And that's how you make the fidget clickers.